What's up, guys? A and
M.
And today we're doing a whole brother and sister cook-off. See who can make the better dish for Luke. Alright, Maya, I got something over here. What's cooking?
I'm making a glaze for your dessert out of bug juice.
Extra white.
Just straight sugar. It's gonna be insane.
I'm marginally scared.
You should be. You're gonna get like dysentery or something. You're wondering why it looks like I just woke up. I did. What a great combo.
Yeah, no.
So it's fun.
Can you take the top off? Alright, you're gonna get a fork and mix it.
I'm sorry.
It's pretty much done. Try to do that. It is. I try to do that impossible omelet thing. Have you seen that?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Mine's ready. You're gonna come eat.
Aaron's is ready?
Alright, Luke. What I've prepared for you today is the one and only impossible omelet over chow mein with a little bit of taco Tex-Mex.
That indeed sounds and looks very good.
Alright, let's have a taste.
So am I supposed to go into it as like a bite or a twirl or?
I think of it more of a free range. However you feel. Make sure you get a little bit of that nice omelet in there.
Alright, we got some corner, a little bit of, you know,
That's hot.
a wee bit hot.
Oh.
Okay, yeah.
How is it?
This is absolute rigatoni pasta. This is on par with the still in here. The thing that I made these with, whatever this would be called, in our last cooking video. This is on par. This is very good. I'm excited to finish this. Alright, so Aaron just ate a little bit of his own thing. And
Oh my god.
wait, on.
It is beautiful. That is absolutely heavenly.
Can we do another one of these so I can redeem myself?
Get it by the egg in there too. The nice zesty egg.
It looks like it's hot. Mine's
It's good.
hot.
It's so good.
More.
Come on, Maya. Come on. You only like half of it.
Come on, dog. Bye.
No. Is it absolute rigatoni pasta?
Maya's compared to mine.
Ew. Why is one like sticking up?
Okay, Luke, have a seat.
Yay! Just like to say, he might get food poisoning. So it's the base.
I love
You have
dog hair.
there's no dog hair.
How about that?
That is not a dog hair. That's gonna
Here you go, buddy.
It's like sticky and hard.
be. It's caramel, bro. It's like
Oh my god.
you should just eat it. And get... What is this?
Oh my god. Okay, I have to get past. I'm not eating the blue gum.
No, you have to.
What's
Yeah, that's the melted cream from the Oreos.
okay? I guess I'll have a little bit like it or something. I can't.
Just try it.
Got my paper towel. Okay, so do I need to rate this again? So I will say this as let's not make this cake
I kind of want to try it.
for those who get it. Oh my god, it's so bad.
If you feel me.
It just kind of tastes like chocolate and Oreo. It's not even that bad, but just the texture's horrid.
Put my
Ew.
quarter
Ew.
It's ill.
This is what I would imagine dog throw up tastes like.
It's so bad. Oh my god.
Texture that kills me.
Okay, I need some water, y'all.
It's like remnants of.
I'm sorry, but that's a terrible introduction. It really does cooking.
Should have a round 2 where I can redeem myself. I won't kill you next time.
Alright, well, Luke,
Yeah, that's really bad.
how would you rate my omelet out of 1 through 10?
Honestly, that's like a... If it's still warm when I get back to it, it's gonna be like a 9.5.
How would you rate Maya's sludge? Maya's sludge.
Ew.
It's atrocious.
This is a college level meal. The hair in my mouth tastes better than this.
Good
So,
Lord.
are we allowed to use negatives this time? I'm gonna be fair. The taste wasn't completely terrible. It just kind of tasted like Oreos and,
Grains.
you know, melted chocolate. So I give it a negative 6.7.
Good Lord.
And the winner is Aaron.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very
Thank you
much.
so much. Hey, hey. It's
Like,
great doing
actually, I'm
business with you.
too concerned about getting this
It's
solidified
okay.
sugar out of this last dish.
You'll get it next time, I promise.
Yes,
There
it's
is no next time.
What are your thoughts? Okay, time to go eat his now.
Let me get more of that.
This was actually really good.